Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to set the alarm clock in Realme 5 mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is tap the clock on the screen in your Realme 5 mobile phone. Okay, you can see the option here on the top, the alarm, clock, stopwatch, and timer. Okay, you'll have to do is select alarm. And okay guys, here in alarm, okay, to set the alarm clock, you'll have to do is click the plus sign on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, the pop-up will show, and okay, you can see the time here. To adjust the time, okay, you can scroll down or up the time. So okay, I set into 5:30 AM. And okay guys, you can also set the ringtone by clicking the ringtone. And after that, click the more. And okay guys, here you can see the ringtone. To change the ringtone, you'll have to do is click the ringtone. And okay guys, you can see here the ringtone of my Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, I select one of my ringtone. And okay guys, after you select the ringtone, okay, go back, and okay guys, automatic the ringtone are saved into this alarm. So okay, you can see the calm ringtone here. And okay guys, you also turn on the vibrate or turn off the vibrate if your alarm is ring. And okay guys, you can set the snooze by clicking the button. You can turn off or on the snooze. And okay guys, that's it. Your alarm are set. And okay guys, to save this alarm, you only have to do is click the save button on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, your alarm clock are saved now, and your alarm are ring in 5:30 AM in the morning. And okay guys, if the alarm are set, you can see the alarm icon on the upper right side on your screens. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.